Court in session. Case number LD01-212-2026. Case between R versus Natasha Aderonke.
Defendant, where is your counsel?
My lord, I don't have a lawyer.
Why? Why not?
Because I can't afford one.
Prosecutor? Learned prosecutor, will you wake this joke up? Wake this joke up.
Yes, sir, my lord.
Learned prosecutor, were you aware that the defendant is unrepresented?
Which defendant? Oh, no, my lord. The prosecution is not, was not informed.
This is a criminal matter. The defendant is entitled to legal representation. This court will not proceed with an unrepresented defendant. Well, Clerk.
Sir.
I hereby direct the Legal Aid Council to assign a public defender to represent this defendant.
All right.
Yeah?
All right.
Until then, this matter is adjourned.
Court.
Haba mana, ai na gaya maka wai kai a sati mai zuwa. Eh? I don't like this far. I'm not happy about this. This is bad.
Ajiya. Wele.
To zan kira ka anjima. Kaji? Stay by your phone fa. Barrister Olayiwola, menene, what is it?
Afan, Ajiya, kilo shele.
Please, I don't have time for this. I'm too busy.
I know you are busy. Actually, that is why I want to see you.
No, I don't have briefs for you today.
Ajiya, why are you doing like this? You have now. I hear there's a young girl in court now that need lawyer. And I'm active.
That case?
Yes.
Never.
Why now?
Because it's complicated. And you are complicated. That's why.
What do you mean I'm complicated? If the case is complicated, that's why it's in court. If it was a simple case, they will have family meeting to solve it.
Barrister, please. Dang Allah, let's not waste each other's time, okay? We both know that you don't like legal aid cases.
That's not true, Nagia. Why?
No, it is. It is actually true. Because legal aid fees are very small, but you like money, so...
Agia, coming from your mouth, the last legal aid case that I collect from you, and you people have not paid me the money till now.
Exactly the reason why I do not like assigning cases to you. You always complain about the money. Always!
This is the first time I'm complaining now. I will complain, but I will still do the work. Is that not how I behave? That's my MO. Agia, always frowning. Lighten up. Really?
You're too persistent.
It's the work we do.
So, I'm going to give you this case, but don't come back crying for the fee.
Hey, don't worry. Let's just get justice. Really? There's something I want to tell you. I've been practicing to tell you since. So,
what's that?
One and Aderonke, yan and kill.
One and Turarena, yana the kill.
Yeah, that's it. Yes, I like it very. Thank you. Hi, Gia. Okay. Oh, thank you very much, my friend.
Ogalo.
What was
this one you sent for me?
What do you mean?
What's the rubbish?
That's the money that they brought out for me online. That's your online fee.
Did I not ask you to do offline? How about all the stops you stop on the road?
Oh, you asked me to do offline. Is that constitutional? Is that not against the practice of your profession?
Is that why you're sending me incomplete
It's
money?
not incomplete. That's the money that they ask you.
This is incomplete money. Please, you pay my money.
I should pay your money.
Where is the defense counsel?
Do you know who you are talking to? Do you know who you are talking to? Should I put on my food regalia for you? You think this is a joke? Maybe you don't recognize a lawyer when you see a lawyer.
What's my business with your profession? Please send my money. This is incomplete money.
Do you want to go to court? Go argue with the court. Go argue with the court and I will see the evidence.
You pay my money. You pay my money.
This matter was adjourned for representation. I ask again for the optive time. Is legal aid present?
Come and meet me in court. Come and meet me in court. Nonsense. You stop who we are. I say you should do offline trip for me. You two will agree. You're an idiot. You get yourself a lawyer.
How do I get this kind of clients?
My lord, counsel has been assigned. He's on his way.
He's on his way.
Yes.
On his way to where? To submissive or to where?
My lord, I apologize.
No, take your time. No, take your time. Take your time.
I apologize, my lord. It's unforeseen exigencies.
The court sat at when? 9. I sat at 8:59. And you're just coming. What kind of lawyer are you? Pambula, agege rat theater with charge and bail. What are you? Don't do that again.
I apologize, it will never happen again.
You are appearing in a criminal matter assigned by legal aid. Legal aid. Huh? Do you understand the seriousness? I mean, the enormity, the importance of what you're about to undertake? I hope you do. Huh?
I'm sorry, my lord.
I hope you do. Because this court, let me let you know, this court will not indulge unprofessional conduct. Is that all right? Yes. Is that all right to everybody? Yes. I will not indulge any unprofessional conduct. Yes. Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, my lord.
Stay right.
Yes, my lord. The case before us this morning is a case about youth. A case about immaturity, my lord. A case about a young woman whose youthfulness pushed her into making insensible decisions that she is now regretting. My lord, the defendant is a young woman who exercised poor judgment. And I'm sure now she's fully aware of the consequences of her judgment. My lord, this hallowed court not only has the power to punish, but my lord, you also hold the power to redirect. It is my humble submission, my lord, that you not only see this young woman as a scheme, but as a human being standing at the beginning of her life and not the end of it. My lord, this is my opening statement. Thank you very much.
That's it. Okay. Prosecution?
Thank you very much, my lord. My lord, this is not a case of youthful mistake. Yeah, of course. Yes. This is a case of deliberate deception. Okay, now let's look at this now. Thank you very much, my lord. All protocols duly observed. Between January to December, if I can remember, of last year, 9 a.m., 23 seconds. The defendant created and operated not fewer than 6 different false online characters. Yes. What's that? Am I lying? Will I be lying? Will I be in the court and be lying? So each identity. Okay, now look at this. Each identity used stolen photographs of women that she had never met. Even none of you have ever met. Yeah. She hid behind fake pictures and fake names. Don't worry, I will mention a few. You'll be familiar with hot, sexy damsel. Bad Bunny. Tush Boo. Wow. My lord, they are my fans.
No, not here.
Sorry.
Not here.
Yes, sir, not here. Yeah. Victoria Goddess. Yes. Through these accounts, she targeted unsuspecting men online, promising companionship, affection, and in many cases, possibility of physical meetings. I like how you all are attentive, because I will go on. These meetings never happened. Sorry. You're looking at me. Do I look like a lion to you? I know I'm fierce. So, my lord, instead, my lord, she extracted money from these men under false pretenses. My lord, what comes after 74? I want to know if you know your numbers.
75?
75 men! My lord!
No, don't do that again. Don't do that. You don't know what comes after 74? Why are you asking me?
Trying to test your abilities in maths and stuff.
Don't do that again.
Yes, sir.
Even though I'm 74 this year, but don't do that. Don't do that again.
Wow, sir. Nice age, sir.
All right. Yeah.
So, my lord, this was not a mistake. It was not a mistake. The defendant understood what she was doing. She clearly knew what she was doing. She. It was an organized scheme and a profit-making operation. If the court will permit, my lord, I would like to call on my first witness.
PW1, Mr. Monday Okoko. Please take the stand.
Okoko, as in Okoko. Huh?
As in Okoko Michael, sir.
Okoko Michael.
Please state your name for the record.
My name is Okoko Monday.
Mr. Okoko Monday.
Yes.
Mr. Monday, how do you know do you know the defendant, first of all?
Yes, I do.
Of course, you will. So how do you know the defendant? How do you know her?
We used to chat on Facebook, and I know her as Princess Penelope.
Eh? Princess Penelope. Anyway, so what's your relationship with Princess Penelope?
Like I said, we used to chat on Facebook, and she told me that she likes me and she would want to come and spend some time with me. Then I sent her transport, but she ended up not coming.
So, like, how many times did you send her transport that she did not come?
I can't remember exactly, but I know it's more than 10 times.
Okay. Great. So, my lord, this is just one of 75 cases that this defendant has scammed using same method of collecting their transportation. My lord, you already know from here. I rest my case. Penelope. People funny, sha.
Defense counsel, any cross-examination?
Yes, my lord. If I may.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Monday.
Good afternoon.
You see, normally I'm inspired by the courage it takes for a man to stand on a witness dock. But today I am disappointed by the lack of shame it is taking you to stand on that dock. Mr. Monday, you are a married man, correct?
Yes, I'm married.
What a shame. But you repeatedly sent this young lady money to come and see you. Why, if I may ask?
Yes, of course. We are chatting meet and she's already my friend.
Okay, but why did you want her to come and see you?
Because she already told me that she loves me.
Oh, Mr. Monday, did you inform her that you are a married man?
Objection, my lord! The witness's marriage has nothing to do with this. After all, I'm married and I can do this as well.
Objection sustained.
My lord, the claimant is claiming that he was deceived. If he was deceived, he was not coerced. My lord, what is happening in court today is a case of a man whose genitalia is not allowing his brain to function. He was horny and wanted to sleep with the defendant. That's why he made all those actions.
Hello. So, how do you come about such biological assumptions about penis, controlling the brain?
My lord, it is evident in court today.
My lord, the witness's motivation does not change the fact that he was defrauded. According to the Nigerian Criminal Code, obtaining money under false pretenses is a crime, and the victim's personal failings or desires do not negate the offense. If you want, I can also explain it from a storytelling Sorry, my lord.
My lord, amidst all this nonsense that is going on in court today, I have one more question for the witness. Mr. Okokomonde, I put it to you before this honorable court and before everybody that is hearing us today. What would you have done if the defendant had come to see you? My lord, I will answer that question for him. He would have slept with her and went back to his wife and left her behind.
Objection, my lord. The witness's hypothetical actions are irrelevant to the charges against the defendant.
Objection sustained. Barrister, defendant, defense counsel, barrister, LAYI WASABI. Yeah? I think you should stay on the facts relevant to the defendant's guilt.
Apologies, my lord. My lord, the fact is that the witness did not tell my client that he's married. He wanted to deceive her. These two parties are both deceivers, my lord, and the Latin maxim oppose that ex topic causa non orito actio. No legal cause shall arise of an illegal action. My lord, these two are deceivers, so why then is my client being the one that is punished?
Objection, my lord. The witness is not on trial here today.
But my lord, had he gotten what he wanted, he would have obtained it through false pretenses. Money or sex, deception was the currency. My lord, if my client can be charged to court for deceiving a man to take his money, he also should be charged for trying to deceive her to sleep with her. No further questions, my lord.
I think that the court will have to go on recess. Yeah, recess.
Court.
At my head back
Yes, so I have what is sort of like a fair news. Okay? I was able to bargain a plea deal on your behalf. So right now, prosecution wants us to do 1.5 years as your prison time. All you need to do is plead guilty to the offenses that you've been charged with.
I refuse. That doesn't even make any sense.
What do you mean that doesn't make sense?
Because I'm innocent. I didn't force them to send money to me.
Okay, my sister, okay? From a legal standpoint, things are not looking good for you. We are talking about a major case of fraud. These are over 70 victims that we are talking about. I don't think it's bad at all, okay? And if we are even looking at doing this case full trial, we are looking at prison, not fines, not warnings.
Look, they were adults, okay? They chose to send the money. I didn't force them.
My sister, if we proceed full trial, the prison time they will give you will be much more than this. I don't think 1.5 years is bad, okay? I think you should think about it. 1.5 years is by Melu.
Barrister, if you win this case, I'll do whatever you want.
My sister, what are you trying to do?
I'm just motivating you.
Hey, please, look at me, okay? I'm your lawyer. I'm not one of your clients.
You don't have my best interest at that.
What do you mean I don't have your best interest at that? I'm doing my job. I advise you to take a plea deal you are refusing.
No, you're not. You're asking me to go to prison for 1.5 years.
And that is the plea. One, it's 18 months. What?
I want another lawyer.
She said, 18 months. You that scam over 75 people. If they are even doing 1 month per person that you scam, do you know 8 years, I'm saying 1.5 years, you are saying it's 2 months. Okay. What's the problem? We'll argue it out. My lord, the defense would like to proceed.
Hold on, counsel. Yes, young lady.
My lord, I don't want this man to represent me anymore. I need another lawyer.
On what grounds?
Where do I even start from? We are not on the same vibe and I don't feel heard or understood.
My lord, this is preposterous. What do you mean? What do you mean?
This is exactly what I'm talking about.
What are you talking about?
You're not clocking it.
What do you mean clock it? My lord, please can you assist me with that language? I don't understand what clock it.
Quiet!
That's the problem. You don't know the vibe.
By vibe, you mean?
He thinks I'm guilty and he wants me to go to prison. He is invalidating my truth.
That is me, invalidating your truth?
Yes.
You are supposed to be in prison not for me, case that I took from legal aid. My lord, I took this case from you.
Can you see how aggressive he is? You're so incompetent.
My lord, I've been gaslit. In my old age like this, you are gaslighting me? Oh. See how I'm is sharp, my lord. Is it not in this court that we all heard that she defrauded 75 men? If you want to talk to, let's talk to.
My lord, you see, the cat is out of the bag.
And if we must let the cat out of the bag, my lord, all this drama that she's doing is because she attempted to seduce me and I refused. I told her that I'm a man of God.
And I don't feel safe.
You don't feel safe? Oh, yes. Do I feel safe?
Yes.
That is the you don't feel safe. My lord.